Hello, student. Welcome to my channel, A Journey of Exploring Education. Today, you will see the presentation of Miss Yoshita Patel on successful HR managers quality. So, let's see the presentation.
Hello everyone, myself Yoshita Dheeraj Patel currently studying in BBA first year. Today I would like to share some good qualities of successful HR manager. So let's get started to our presentation. HRM, that's Human Resource Management. It is a practice of recruiting, hiring, developing, and managing an organization's employees. HRM is often referred as human resource, that is HR. It is important for a human resources manager to effectively provide the right human resources to that a businesses need to succeed. If they do not have a clear cut understanding of what qualities a successful HR manager must have. Successful managers are the individuals who are skilled at fulfilling a wide varieties of roles and who can effectively encourage their staff to be their best. So, today we are going to take a look at the top 10 qualities of a successful HR manager. First point is knowledge and expertise in HR. A successful HR manager will have a firm educational foundation regarding the functions of human resource. Second point is ethics. In lot of ways, the HR department of a company serves as its conscience. This means that you will need to have a keen sense of ethics which it comes to confidential information and following company policies. HR professionals have to earn the trust of company employees and executives so that they can effectively do their job. Honesty and discretion are key components of any successful HR department. Third point is strong communication skills. Another essential quality of a human resource manager is that he must possess a good communication skills. Both your written and oral communication skill must be clear and effective to individuals on all levels of the organization. Effective communication will sometimes include negotiation. When conflict arises between co-workers or manager and employees, an HR manager must assist both sides in finding middle ground so that a compromise can be reached. Fourth point is leadership ability. As an HR director, you are a leader, not a business partner. You must be at the forefront of all your company does. However, at the front, there is no instruction booklet and there are no other benchmarks to measure yourself against. It is essential to guide the employees towards achieving the organizational objective. Fifth point is quick decision. He should display the ability to make a quick decision. Now, let us assume that there is a conflict between a superior and an employee in the organization. When the HR manager tries to mediate and put an end to the conflict, he might have to make some quick decision. He should be mentally alert and therefore not get caught unaware. Sixth point is ability to motivate others. The only effective workforce is a motivated one. You must understand what does and does not motivate your employees. Motivation is not just offering incentives. It is about creating sustainable reasons to maintain a quality of work and to foster employees' belief in the organization's cause and their team. In particular, you must be able to successfully motivate your managers, who in turn will motivate the employees under them. Seventh point is sympathetic attitude. A good personal manager must have a human approach to human resource problems. Regardless of problem faced by the employees, he must have a sympathetic attitude while dealing with them. Eighth point is patience. He should be extremely patient and not someone who loses his temper easily. While dealing with employees, it is important to be a good listener, especially when an employee is voicing his concerns. And a good listening skill requires a lot of patience. Ninth point is integrity. When hiring an employee, every organization assists the integrity of potential employee. Integrity is a topmost quality in a good HR manager as he is aware of the organization's confidential information such as package paid to each employee, placement criteria, selection process, etc. So this should not be used to his advantage in any way. Last, not but least, is the problem solving. In order for businesses to function at their best, the HR department must ensure that individuals with different personality can work together civilly and accomplish company's goals. Also, in order to accomplish the other task required of you as an HR professional, you have to be skilled at conflict management and diffusing tension or combative situations. Thank you everyone.
If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.